A vegan diet, free of animal products, is becoming increasingly popular for both health and ethical reasons. Some dishes lend themselves better than others to a plant-based approach, but these vegan curry recipes are so full of flavor that no one will even miss the meat. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with Vegan Cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. What's a curry, anyway? Curry is a pretty loose term. Per Bon Appetit, it was a word used by colonizers to simplify what they saw in foreign cuisines. Today, the word curry usually describes a dish with a spiced sauce and meat or vegetables, often eaten with rice or flatbread like naan. The dish is made in many countries, including India, Thailand, Cambodia, Malaysia, Indonesia, and England. Keep in mind that curry powder is a Western invention. Curry powder takes the common spices of Indian curries and packages them into a spice blend. Authentic Indian spices are mixed up by the cook and vary based on the region and household. Today you are going to get familiar with different curry recipes from chickpea and pasta curries to masala-flavored everything. This is the best vegan Indian recipes list. Number 1. Tofu Aloo Gobi. Tofu aloo gobi is a cozy, comforting meal. It's made with cauliflower, garlic, potatoes, and a handful of other simple ingredients. Tofu aloo gobi is very low in calories and makes a fantastic addition to an Indian-inspired meal. This delicious meal is satisfying, bite after bite. Number 2. Vegan Curry Spiced Pumpkin Bisque. Vegan curry spiced pumpkin bisque is a thick, creamy, delicious soup. Thanks to the pumpkin puree, it's a bright, bold color and packed with healthy nutrients. This bisque is a great vegan Indian recipe. It has a ton of great flavor and is the perfect consistency. Number 3. Pasta curry with cauliflower and chickpeas. Pasta curry with cauliflower and chickpeas looks beautiful in the bowl and is extra hearty, thanks to the vast number of vegetables and protein-packed chickpeas. This dish is an Italian take on traditional Indian flavors. Pasta curry is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed warm, chilled, or hot. Number 4. Lentil curry. Lentil curry is packed with exotic Indian flavors. It has a great texture and is bold in color. The curry is made with potato, cauliflower, onion, and fantastically fragrant and enticing spices. As a bonus, this dish has 33 grams of protein and makes for a great vegan Indian dinner dish. Number 5. Quick lentil and kidney bean curry dinner. If you're looking for a quick vegan Indian dinner idea, this is the recipe. Quick lentil and kidney bean curry dinner is a well-balanced meal made with brown lentils, kidney beans, and your favorite Indian simmer sauce. Packed with protein, this vegan Indian recipe is effortless to put together. Number 6. Quick and easy vegetable curry. Healthy greens, sweet green peas, and golden potatoes combine to make this quick and easy vegetable curry. This bold orange dish really packs a punch. The recipe is versatile and includes several tasty variations to try. Number 7. Green stuffed potato curry dinner. This fantastic vegan Indian recipe takes less than 20 minutes to prepare. Green stuffed potato curry dinner is a favorite Indian dish. It's healthy and easy to make. Number 8. Masala zucchini fries. These Indian spiced fries are addictive. They're great to serve at dinner parties and perfect for a late-night snack. Masala zucchini fries are a fantastic way to indulge without the added carbs. These fries are low in calories and can be served alongside a creamy yogurt dip. The dip offers a cool balance to the hot Indian flavors. Number 9. Masala lentils. This impressive lentil dish is packed with healthy nutrients and vitamins. It's made with a spicy sauce that has hints of garlic and chili seeping through. Masala lentils, also known as sabat masoor, are made with brown lentils, onion, garlic, and the perfect blend of spices. This dish is fragrant thanks to the cumin, cinnamon, nutmeg, and other simple spices. When they combine, they make this masala lentil dish next level good. Number 10. Okra masala. turmeric, cinnamon, and cayenne blend together to make a savory blend for this okra masala dish. This simple dish can be accompanied by Indian naan bread or rice. Number 11. Chana masala. This particular chana masala recipe is simple to make and requires very little effort. It is made with protein-packed chickpeas and earthy green beans. This dish is full of color and gets a spicy kick from small hot chili peppers. Made with ripe, juicy tomatoes, fresh cilantro, this dish can be served with your favorite hot grain. Number 12. Red lentil curry. If you're looking for a fantastic curry dish with plenty of bold flavors, then this recipe is for you. Red lentil curry is lusciously thick, creamy, and delicious. Serve this curry over hot quinoa or fluffy rice. This curry dish is vegan, gluten-free, and vibrant in color and taste. And you can make it as spicy as you want. Number 13. Mushroom curry. Ready to enjoy in just 30 minutes, this mushroom curry is sure to be a new staple in your house. It makes fantastic leftovers, and the recipe is super simple, just 5 steps before you're welcome to dive in. Number 14. Pineapple curry. This curry is sweet and swirling with delicious flavors. It's ready to enjoy in just 25 minutes and can be served over your favorite warm grain. Pineapple curry is a simple recipe and tastes exquisite. Number 15. Tofu vindaloo. This vegan tofu vindaloo is so much better than the takeout version. Seared tofu and tender veggies simmered together with Indian spices. What could be better? Number 16. Thai red curry with asparagus and tofu. This curry dish tastes elaborate but is simple and effortless to make. It's made with asparagus, rice, cilantro, and a hint of brown sugar. Thai red curry with asparagus and tofu is a well-balanced meal packed with nutrition. Number 17. Tandoori cauliflower with Indian spiced quinoa. This tandoori cauliflower with Indian spiced quinoa is made with simple, healthy ingredients. Tandoori cauliflower makes for a fantastic lunch the next day, and it's incredibly fragrant. Number 18. Curried red lentil and quinoa bowls with chutney. Curried red lentil and quinoa bowls with chutney are a spectacular vegan Indian dish. They're filled with quinoa, onion, ginger, and a few more simple ingredients. This dish takes just 10 minutes to put together and is a fantastic add-on to your workweek menu. Number 19. One pot vegan chickpea curry. One pot vegan chickpea curry is creamy and simple. It's an elegant meal that has a thick coconut base. Thanks to its being a one-pot recipe, this dish has an easy and quick cleanup. Preparing this dish is effortless. Toss the ingredients in the pot and allow them to simmer. Then, enjoy. Number 20. Indian vegetable curry. Indian vegetable curry is a dish that's entirely vegan. It's made with perfectly roasted cauliflower, crisp bell peppers, and a diverse mix of vegetables. This curry is plant-based and tastes fantastic. It's colorful and super healthy. Number 21. Instant pot vegetable curry. This vegan instant pot vegetable curry is packed to the brim with fragrant Indian spices. It takes only 20 minutes to prepare and becomes a fantastic bold dish. This recipe even includes small hacks to make this dish taste even better. Number 22. Vegan chickpea curry with coconut romanesco. Vegan chickpea curry with coconut romanesco is a dish with a diverse range of flavors. Each ingredient in this meal is important and adds so much delicious taste. This curry is simple to prepare and only requires 15 minutes to prepare. Number 23. Butternut squash curry. This butternut squash curry is bold in Indian and Thai flavors. It fuses traditional spices and flavors to make a fantastic dish. This curry is absolutely delicious. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.